Hey everyone, in this video let's clear one of the biggest confusion beginners have. What's the difference between SQL, MySQL versus MySQL Workbench? They sound similar, but they are actually very different things. Let's break it down in simple terms. First, we'll see what is SQL. So, yes, SQL, the full form is Structured Query Language. Okay, so it is a language. It is a language. It is used to talk to databases. We'll see what is database and all. Okay, so just like we use English to talk to people, we use SQL to talk to database. Just like we use English to talk to people. In the same manner, we use SQL to talk to database. Okay, so for example, we'll see one command of SQL, which is select star from students. So select all the columns from, this is table name, students. So we have to select all the columns from student table. So we'll write this command like this. Okay, so this command asks the database to show all students' data. So SQL is just a language or the set of rules we use to manage data. Now we'll come to MySQL. Second is MySQL. Okay, so MySQL, it is a database software. It is a database software. Okay, so this software that understands and executes SQL commands. You can say SQL is the language and MySQL is the program that listens and performs the action. When you install MySQL, you are actually installing the database system. Okay, so it is a database system that stores, it has multiple functions, that stores, manages your data, and we'll see more in detail, but first of all let me write the third one, MySQL Workbench. Okay, so it is a graphical user interface for MySQL. It is a tool. So MySQL Workbench, it is a visual tool or application where you can easily write SQL queries, design database, and view data in table, all with a user-friendly interface. So instead of using boring command line, you can use Workbench. It's like a MS Word instead of typing everything in Notepad. So Workbench Well, let me give you one analogy, like simple analogy. Okay, SQL is equivalent to English language. MySQL is equivalent to person who understands and speaks English. The person who understands and speak English. And the third one, which is MySQL Workbench, it is a chat app. The chat app you use to talk to a person. You use to talk to a person. Okay, so this is the simple analogy for that. And MySQL Workbench, it is an application. It is a application where you can easily write SQL queries, design database, and view data in tables. Okay, with all user-friendly interface. With all user-friendly interface. Okay. So it is just a language. Okay, and it is a database software that uses SQL. It is a database software that uses SQL, and it is a graphical GUI user interface to work with MySQL easily. So now you know SQL is the language, MySQL is the database system, and Workbench is the interface to work with it visually. In the next video, I will show you exactly how we can install MySQL and Workbench on your computer and start running your first command. If this made things clear, drop a heart in the comment and subscribe for more beginner-friendly SQL lessons. Thank you. So database, what is database? So it is a container. It is a container that stores, organizes your data, like a digital storage box where all your tables, information, records live together. Think like database is a big folder that holds many smaller tables inside it. It can have multiple tables inside your database. Now, what is table? It is where data is actually stored. main building block of database. It looks like Excel sheet where rows and columns are present. Each rows represent one complete record, and each column represents the data type. Now comes again, we'll see what is structured query language. So structured, we'll see each part. S means structured. What does it mean? So it is actually the organized and arranged in proper format. It means structured. Query means asking question or requesting information, and language is a way to communicate. So it is a language which is used to talk to database. Wherever data is stored in apps, website and software, SQL is used to store, record, update, manage that data. For example, in Instagram, YouTube and Netflix, all the database, all these applications use database behind which SQL works. The database is full of informations, and SQL is a tool that helps you to control and manage it with just few commands. Here one example we'll see. Database, it is like analogy. Database is like a notebook. Okay, each table is like the page inside the notebook, and every page stores related information. Example, one page stores student, one page stores teachers data, and third one subjects data.